Today we will talk about the 7 skills that every human must learn. Number 1, the art of manipulation. Most of the people are self-centered, they lack empathy and struggle to maintain a sense of compassion. Manipulation will help you get what you want out of people in business, in your personal life and in your loved life. Number 2, learn to fight. Every human must know how to defend themselves and their loved ones. Failure to protect yourself and the family will be seen as weakness. Set aside 1 hour to learn combat sport from a professional. It will go a long way in boosting your confidence and fitness. Number 3, how to be secretive. People should know just enough about yourself. Lead a mysterious life. You should know what to share, who to share, and when and how. Number 4, how to handle criticism. The only way to handle people around is to know yourself first. Be honest with yourself and know about your weakness. Control your reaction. Try not to take it personally. Do not dwell on criticism. And the last one, improve. Number 5, learn to question. Stop believing everything the people say, media tells, and other opinions. Instead, use your own reasoning and intellect to arrive at the right decision. And how you can achieve them? Observe without judgment, understand how it works, and learn what all there is.